Inna alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. All praises belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The peace, blessing and salutation upon the last and final messenger of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. From Surah An-Nahl, verse number 47, in this verse Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala discussed what the people of their prophets they said to their prophet. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, قَالُوا طَيَّرْنَا بِكَ وَبِمَنْ مَعَكَ. First of all, let me explain the first word in the beginning of this verse. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, at-tayyarna, at-tatayyur, Arabic word which is derived from tayrun, which means bird, a bird. Why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala used this word here? The commentators say that the people of Arab, they used to leave a bird before they start their journey. When they wanted to travel, when they wanted to take journey to any place, they used to leave a bird. And what did they want by leaving a bird before their journey? They would know, is it good or bad? This journey will be fruitful or any evil or any bad would occur in the traveling they are going to travel. So in order to know that, they used to leave a bird. What happened? If the bird flies to the right direction, they would start their traveling, they would start their journey. But if the bird flies to the left direction, they would stop from going to any place. And they think and they imagine that any evil would occur in this journey if they start it. And another meaning of this verse that the commentator said that at-tayyarna bika wa biman ma'ak. Whatever happened, whatever evil or bad things happened in that time, they would say it happens because of you, because of the prophet. The prophet would call them or would invite them to the belief of oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And it is found in the tafsir that in the time of Prophet Musa alayhi salatu wasalam, an extreme famine and drought occurred, and the deficiency of crops and foodstuff took the place at that time, and before people used to suffer extremely. And the people the villagers, they said it happens because of you. But Musa alayhi salatu wasalam said, قَالَ طَائِرُكُمْ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ. It happens because of you, because of your disbelief, because of your denying the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was brought to you, before your ignorance the call of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and because of your stubborn. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to test you, but you don't know. Bal antum qawmun tuftanun. You are the people are being tested, are being examined by Almighty who has created everything on the earth, but you don't know what happens exactly. So whatever happens on the earth and whatever happens on the earth, everything happens because of your stubborn. So you better to return to Almighty who has created everything.